friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious soup with potato and cheese patties that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Here I want to start first with the potatoes, and I am going to score the potatoes in a cross, just like that. The reason that I'm scoring the potato is because when you start cooking them, boiling them in hot water, the skin will release very easily. Look at this. Look how easy this is. Score your potatoes like this and then put them in hot water. Cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to add 1 tablespoon of salt and then add your potatoes in here. I'm cooking them in medium high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are nice and tender. I am going to leave the potatoes here and continue getting the rest of the ingredients ready. I have half an onion that I'm going to cut in small pieces. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to smash and then dice very small. I want to make sure that the garlic and the onion really release the amazing flavors. Once it's nice and diced, I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, this amazing soup with the potato patties come out so delicious. I have zucchini. Remember to add the veggies that your family loves. So here I'm just adding zucchini to this amazing soup. I am going to go ahead, cut it through the center, and then cut it in squares. You want your zucchini to be al dente at the end of the recipe. You don't want to overcook your zucchini. I have 2 tomatoes that I'm going to slice them in small little pieces and then cubing it. I want all the ingredients to be almost the same size so that it really incorporates and release those amazing and delicious flavors. Very easy to make this amazing soup with ingredients that you find in any supermarket. Remember, the queso fresco cacique, you find it in any supermarket, and that's going to give the patties such a delicious and amazing flavor. Well, here I have all the ingredients, getting everything ready, and this is what takes longer, getting all your veggies ready to make this amazing soup made at home with lots of love. Well, here I am ready to continue, but here I want to show you all the ingredients. I have, of course, the seasoning. I have the queso fresco cacique, tomato, cilantro, garlic clove, onion, zucchini, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, black pepper, paprika, and here I have the potatoes. They're nice and soft. I am going to remove them, let them cool down for about 10 minutes, and then I'm ready to remove the skin. Look how easy this is. Very easy to remove the skin of the potatoes when you score them in a cross. I'm going to continue getting the skin off of the rest of the potatoes. And then I am ready to smash them really good. Incorporate all the potatoes in here. Look at this. You want them nice and smashed. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the seasoning. Remember, we're adding paprika, tomato bouillon, black pepper, cilantro. I'm going to use half of the cheese and then just sprinkle everything in there. I'm going to incorporate everything in here, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. I have 2 eggs, but I might just use one. It all depends the texture of the mixture. If it's too runny, the little patties are really going to fall apart. And to tell you the truth, I think that I only need one egg, one whole egg, to make these amazing patties. Look at this. I am going to continue making my little patties, and when they're done, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am ready to add my patties. I'm cooking in medium high heat, and then I'm just going to brown them from both sides. It literally takes 2 minutes to get nice and golden brown from each side. Remember that these patties have cheese, the queso fresco. Once they're golden brown from both sides, you are ready to remove and start cooking the veggies. Look how delicious they look. They're nice and golden brown. That's exactly how you want them. And now I am ready to remove them one by one. And to the same pot, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Look how delicious they look. I'm going to continue making the rest of the patties, but I wanted to show you how delicious they look. On the same pan, I'm adding the garlic clove, diced garlic, diced onion, the tomato, a little bit of cilantro. I'm going to cook it in medium-low heat so that it starts getting nice and soft and smushy. I added the rest of the spices, and I'm going to leave it here in medium-low heat so that everything really incorporates and gets nice and mushy. The potato really releases all the flavors, the liquid. After 5-6 minutes, look at this. The tomato is almost disappeared. I'm going to add the zucchini. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And now I am ready to add the chicken broth. Remember, if you don't have chicken broth, just add water and a little more of salt. I'm going to leave it in here. Once everything is incorporated, I'm going to start laying on the top the potato patties right on the top. Once you add them in here, just cook them for 2 minutes and then turn off your stove. You don't want to overcook the potato patties. This is done. Look how delicious and amazing this look. I am ready to plate it and I'm ready to enjoy. If you got to this part of the video and you love and you like this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. So Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious soup. Potato patties with cheese. As I call it, tortitas de papa en caldo. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. The veggies are still al dente. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.